Savage Scientist here with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I woke up this morning not really in the mood to do a video, but I just wanted to address something that I think Samsung really needs to pay attention to when it comes to this AI and these unnecessary features that they always put in their devices, and it really becomes more of a nuisance than a feature. And that's this now briefing garbage crap BS. Now briefing, night briefing, this AI briefing crap. And let me show you why I hate it so much. So when you open the phone and go into the now briefing app, it'll give you all this unnecessary shit. And when you go into settings to turn it off, you can't. I mean, look right here. I'm trying my best to turn this off, and it's asking for AI features. So when I go into now brief, it takes me to all the same shit. So content to include. If you notice, I turned off everything. And it still pops up. And I could go back to the home screen, and I say 3 hours later, it's going to be down here again. So my goal here is to totally disable this annoying feature. So I interrupt this video right quick to tell you this is my third time uploading this video, and after doing research I found out that now brief is actually part of now bar. So we have to go into settings to disable now bar and now brief. So let's resume our video. Right here, get personalized briefing with suggested content. Turn your whole ass off. So there's other things that the now bar is able to do. So we have Samsung Help, the maps, and sports from Google. So as more of this stuff comes available, I will disable it and re-enable it. But my biggest issue here is that now bar should be the primary function instead of what it's saying now briefing, all this other stuff. It should be easy to configure this without having to go through a million trillion settings. And maybe it's just me, but I hate when companies bury stuff. I should be able to easily get to this because I don't know the name of it. When it pops up on the home screen, I should be able to just tap on now bar and disable it from the actual now bar. That's just a rant. Savage Scientist. Another video. It's gonna make my next one. Peace out.